Welcome back to Monetize Your Social Media Presence. This is video 2 and my name is Inga Deksne. If this is your first video, this is a quick reminder that this video series will be beneficial for you if you are confused, overwhelmed and tired of not getting results from your social media, or if you want more ideal customers and you want to enjoy your activities on social media and make profit. And my aim with this video series to help you to achieve that your business is not just making money, which is given, but also you enjoy your activities on social media. In the first video, we covered 5 mistakes business owners make on social media and how to fix them. I encourage you to watch it. I will be providing a link below this video so you can jump on video 1, and there you will also get some information about who I am and how I help my clients. But just in brief, my name is Inga Deksne and I help small business owners to create profitable and enjoyable business using social media and Facebook ads. So today we will talk about 3 vital elements to make social media profitable and bring you clients on demand. So what is the first vital element? Of course, it's mindset. By mindset, I mean how you feel about social media. Very often I hear that people are feeling negative because so far social media hasn't brought any results whatsoever, and there is sort of disbelief that it's ever going to work. Or probably you've spent a lot of time, put so much effort, but it still didn't bring you client stream. But it's important when you set your intentions, what you want to achieve with your social media activity. When you have this clarity, by being on Facebook, what I want to get in return. Very often we get carried away and we just post after post. We share information about our upcoming events, about how we feel and what we do, but we forget being intentional with your activities. And try tomorrow, after you watch this video, set intention that you enjoy being on social media, or set intention that you learn one new thing every day for the next 7 days, how you can improve your social media activities, and see what happens. Intention setting is a very powerful approach. It also depends on your beliefs. So if you believe that Facebook is against you and it wants just your money, it will be true for you. If you choose to believe that Facebook wants to support business owners, they want to have a useful experience both to users and to businesses, then you will have completely different situation with your social media. If you believe that you are not good at social media, it will be also true. So you need to choose what you believe. Or if you believe that you are technophobe, by the way, it's my favorite category because I have this gift to turn technophobes into savvy social media users. And we start with changing the belief. Your confidence also means a lot when you operate on social media. If you question your every move, if you question whether this is appropriate, then you will make mistakes, and also people will pick up on your energy. So it's important that you act as you, like, forget about that it's social media. Social media is just a vehicle in delivering your message. Imagine if you talk with someone one-on-one, you don't think about, well, I hope you don't think about that, do I look nice enough with that person? Does my voice sound nice enough with that person? So you usually when we talk, We talk without questioning or doubting ourselves, and we just delivering information and we communicating with that other person. So the same goes with social media. It's a mean of communication. Forget about that you may not be really good on social media. Just focus on the message that you want to deliver and that you want to serve your future customers. And it's about skills as well. So when you use social media, for instance, you become better and better. If you show up on Facebook or Instagram sporadically, you can't grow your skills. For instance, when somebody learns Instagram, in my Instagram course, the first things that I suggest in regards to Instagram stories is just to watch other people's stories, to get this overall understanding how stories can be used. Then you post anything on your stories just to use it as an instrument, as understanding. It doesn't need to make sense. It can be silly. It can be just a one snapshot of a time. The more you do it, the more understanding you will have, and then you start crafting beautiful stories that people are engaging with and they love to watch. I have witnessed it so many times. When somebody started with doing no stories whatsoever, then they started putting random pictures or videos with any particular messages, and then they started crafting beautiful stories that were very engaging and entertaining. So you need to understand what skills you would like to improve. If it's Facebook ads or maybe Facebook Lives, these skills cannot be improved by contemplation alone. You need to actually do them. So this is the first vital element, and it's your mindset, and it's important. Element number 2 is your business systems. In previous video, I mentioned that social media works like a magnifying glass. If you don't have systems in place or they don't work properly, social media won't fix it. It just enhances it, and it will showcase if some of the elements are not working. So let me talk you through what I mean by systems. It's your offers. Do you have a clear offer? And it can be your free offers or paid offers, your giveaways. So you need to have at least one giveaway so people can sign up for your offers. Email marketing system. So when they signed up, you need to deliver content. You need to continue building relationships. And nowadays it's not just email marketing. You can add, and I would strongly suggest that you add chatbot marketing to your mix when you communicate with your audience. You also need to have a conversion system in place. So yes, you gave something for free, you build relationships, you nurtured your email list, but you also need to make offers. You need to sell and have system in place that allows you to make those sales online, how you can charge them, so payment systems, so it's easy for people to buy from you and they don't need to try and figure out how to actually give you money. And element number 3 is proactive presence. What do I mean by proactive presence? Is when you're not just broadcasting, not just plaster your social media walls with your posts. Is when you use social media as a platform where you build relationships. And it means that you send somebody a DM. It means that you leave a comment on somebody's post. It means that you respond to their stories. We all want to have comments. We all want engagement. We want people to ask us questions. But it's a two-way stream. So start by giving this to other people. Start by sending messages, by talking to people, finding out what is it important for them, how you can help. There is such a misconception that it's intrusive and sleazy. You probably experienced it in your life when somebody was just sending you a message and saying, oh, hello, this is my services, buy them. Of course, when there is no relationships built prior to that, those type of messages are very annoying. My pet hate, for instance, is when people friend me and then they send me invitation to like their page. We never spoke, but for some reason they think that it's okay to like their page. So it's more about being considerate and choose one of your platforms where you do this proactive presence, one or two. Otherwise it will be too much. It's almost impossible to be actively engaging on all of the platforms unless you outsource it to agencies that they represent you. And in next video I will talk you through how to choose the right social media platform for your business and your personality. So if you haven't signed up for notifications, please do. Depending where you watch this video, either on YouTube, then all the links will be under the video, or if I have sent you through my messenger bot or through my email list, make sure that you watch the video before and then video after it. And if you have any questions, please post them in the comments, or you're welcome to send me an email. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm really looking forward to our next video together and your questions. Thank you. It was Inga Deksne. Have a nice